Hey Alex, you like your laptop? Can you say Merry Christmas to Ben and Diana?
Merry Christmas, Uncle Ben and Aunt Diana.
Look at the camera.
Look at Mommy.
Hey there, I'm Lightning McQueen.
Alex,
Hey, thanks for your help.
can you say thank you to Ben and Diana for your laptop?
Thank you, Uncle Ben. Thank you, Aunt Diana.
Alex.
Daddy, don't play sweet.
We gotta say thank you. Can we say thank you real quick?
Can you look at the camera and say thank you?
Grand Prix is about to start. Choose an activity.
Hello, Alex.
Enter key to confirm. Letter sound.
Right now I'm playing the computer.
Hey, thanks for your help.
Do you like it?
Say thank you.
Do you like your computer?